Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how we can dispute a transaction on Bank of America. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply gonna go ahead, open up your Bank of America app. Now go ahead, enter your online ID and enter your passcode and tap on sign in. Then once you have done that, this is how your home page gonna look like. All you gotta do is go ahead, go to your account of which you wanna dispute a transaction of, and now tap on this view beside it. Then from the list of transaction, go ahead, choose the one you want to dispute and tap on it. Then check out the details accordingly and tap on dispute transaction in the bottom. Then you will be asked whether did you authorize this transaction or not. Simply you want to authorize it, so simply tap on this option of yes, but there is a problem and I need to dispute the transaction. Go ahead, tap on it again. Then afterwards, you're gonna see first step for the dispute is given the details over here. You can simply take your time and choose to read through as well, otherwise tap on continue in the bottom right. Then it will give you a notice that you have to simply check out. You can take your time and read through it accordingly, and again tap on this continue given in the bottom right. Then you simply have to select the reason of why you're disputing. Go ahead, select the one that you prefer. Then afterwards, it will simply again give you important information regarding your dispute. Make sure to read it out if you would like, otherwise again tap on this continue in the bottom right section. Now you simply have to add in the amount that you think is wrongly charged. Go ahead, add the amount and tap on this continue in the bottom left section. Then again they will ask what is wrong with the amount. Simply go ahead, choose the one that you think is correct, the reason for. And it will ask whether do you have a copy of receipt. If you do, then tap on yes and I will send it to you. If you don't, then tap on no and simply proceed with it. So if you tapped on yes, you simply have to send the document. If you have tapped on no, then you can see want to go paperless. Simply just go ahead, tap on this yes option on top. Another interface gonna pop up with almost done notification. Go ahead, tap on this option of submit dispute in the bottom, and there we go. We have final confirmation and we have submitted it successfully. You're gonna simply, and that is how you're gonna do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.